Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x80070643 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. And how would you do that? Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, and then go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot and then select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. And how would you do that? So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script. Okay. Copy the script and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator and paste it here. Hit enter. I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop all the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the user profile for Windows updates. It will uh, reset the software distribution in cat2 folders, and then it will re-register all the DLLs, and then it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.